Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to apply Kajal to your upper eyelid. First, ensure your hands are clean, and your Kajal pencil is sharpened to a slightly rounded point for smooth, precise application. Select a high-quality, smudge-proof Kajal that offers intense pigment, guaranteeing it will last for many hours without smudging. Always begin with a clean, dry eyelid, gently removing any excess oil to create the perfect canvas. This vital preparation ensures a smooth and enduring finish. With your dominant hand, gently lift your upper eyelid slightly at the outer corner, making the lash line taut. This simple action provides a stable surface for precise application. Now, place the Kajal pencil close to the base of your upper lashes, beginning about 1/3 of the way in from the outer corner. Use short, connected strokes, carefully working your way inwards towards your tear duct, ensuring a seamless line. Take your time with each small segment for an even result. Carefully examine your lash line for any small gaps or uneven spots after the initial application, filling them in gently with tiny, soft strokes. For a more intense, rich black finish, you can apply a second, lighter layer of Kajal directly over the first, enhancing the depth of color. If you prefer a softer, less defined appearance, use a small, clean, angled brush to delicately smudge the very top edge of the line. This technique creates a beautiful, diffused effect. To ensure your Kajal lasts for many hours, gently blot any excess moisture around your eyes with a clean, soft tissue. For superior longevity, softly tap a tiny amount of matching black eyeshadow directly over your Kajal line using a small, angled brush, which helps to set the product. Allow the Kajal to fully set for approximately 30 seconds before blinking vigorously, preventing any transfer to your lower eyelid. This final step guarantees a beautiful, long-lasting look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.